Hello, this is LinQ training course by example, and today is the day 5. I will talk about how to use the OrderBy and ThenBy in the LinQ query. Okay, so now let's get started. I will close this one and open Visual Studio, and here I will go ahead to create a new class and name it the OrderBy and ThenBy example. Okay. Okay. I will open the previous shortcode, and I will open the here this one. Student 2, okay, because the student class is public and it is already created in the previous video here. So now here I have to change the it name to the number 2. Okay. Okay, here. And go to the LinQ query. LinQ query. Okay. So here I will be using the order student list. Okay, where and okay here, so I will be using the OrderBy first and LinQ query OrderBy student name, and here by default here it will be order the student by ascending. Okay, cool, run it. Yeah, oh no, I need to open the program, copy it, collapse, replace this one. Okay, run it again. Here, so you can see here we have the name it is ordering by ascending. Okay, mute both right zone. Okay, cool. And here OrderBy. Okay, break it down here. ThenBy. Page descending or ascending. Run it again. Move right. Okay. Okay, and here we have another option in OrderBy descending. Let's see what is difference. The same. Okay, OrderBy descending. On it again. Here it have a trend the order already. Okay, cool. Okay, so I think that's all for today, and after you finish this video you know how to use the OrderBy and ThenBy in your LinQ query. You also know how to do the combination for using the OrderBy ThenBy and where clause in the LinQ query. Okay, hope this video will helpful for you, and let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.